This video will be a brief overview of the Health Sciences Library page on the new UNC Libraries website. It will include information on accessing Health Sciences Library resources and guides, connecting with librarians, and reserving library spaces. Throughout the video, I will use the acronym HSL to refer to the Health Sciences Library. I am now going to go to the HSL page at library.unc.edu/healthsciences. The old URL, hsl.lib.unc.edu, will also direct you to the same page. To begin, the top bar on the page will take you to resources from all the UNC university libraries, not just HSL. You can find information on research and support, borrowing, spaces and technology, locations and hours, library news, about the library, and contacting the library from this top bar. When you select something in this top bar, you will be taken away from the HSL page to a different one on the University Library website. The first thing as you scroll down the HSL page is a search bar where you can begin a PubMed search. You can also select Library Resources, the second tab in this box, to search for UNC materials such as books, articles, and media. The Library Resources tab searches a small selection of our resources. You can access many more resources supported by UNC by searching in several databases. You can access our most used databases in the box below the search bar. You can access more health databases by selecting More Health Sciences Resources. We recommend that you always access databases through the links on the library website. When you do so, the database will recognize that you're accessing the database through UNC. As a result, a Find at UNC icon will show up next to the articles. For example, I'm going to go to PubMed and search cancer. I will select the first result. When you follow the Find at UNC link, you will be asked to log in with your Onion. Logging in allows you to access resources available through UNC or request the material through an interlibrary loan if we do not have the resource in our collection. You can also use the AHEC or self-paced course login options if you do not have an Onion and are either an AHEC member with access to UNC resources or taking a self-paced course. In this case, the material is available through UNC, and I can access the full text by following the full text online link. If it was not in the UNC collection, you can request it from another library via interlibrary loan under step 2 on this page. You can also submit an interlibrary loan request for materials under Borrow and Interlibrary Loan Delivery from the top tab. Interlibrary loans allow you to access materials that we do not have at UNC at no cost to you. I will now navigate back to the HSL webpage by selecting Location and Hours and Health Sciences Library. To the right of the research databases, you can see the hours that the library is open for the next week. If you select Building and Access Information, you can find more information on the physical HSL space, including information on accessibility and reserving library study rooms and spaces. To contact us, select Contact HSL below the list of databases. You can get help at any time by filling out the information on this page, and someone will reply to you via email. You can also schedule an appointment with a librarian on the contact page. Simply select Make an Appointment with a Librarian, and then select your subject of interest. Now I'm going to navigate back to the HSL page. You can also select Chat with Us using the icon in the bottom right of the screen to have a live chat with someone from the university libraries. The live chat is staffed by employees in other UNC libraries and not by HSL staff, so if you have specific health sciences questions, you should use the Contact HSL button. You can also connect with specific health sciences librarians by selecting Find Your Librarian. Here, you can find the librarian for specific schools and clinical departments. We also have librarians that specialize in research and informatics, community engagement, and AHEC. You can select individual librarians to see their contact information and more information about that librarian. Continuing down the HSL page, you will find our research guides. We have guides on specific topics, such as systematic reviews. We also have guides on certain fields, such as dentistry and nursing. Our most popular guides are displayed here. To view all our guides, select View All Health Sciences Guides. When you select this button, you are taken to a topic directory of our guides. You can see all of our guides by selecting Listed by Title. I will now return again to the Health Sciences Library page. After our list of library guides, you can access information about HSL spaces, including information about how to reserve study rooms and spaces in the library. We also hold events and classes relevant to the health sciences on a regular basis, which you can sign up for on the website. We regularly hold workshops on tools like SciWheel, EndNote, and Covidence. We also hold workshops on other topics, such as searching databases, systematic reviews, and bioinformatics. You can also find specific HSL news and projects on the HSL page. At the bottom of the page, you can search for HSL staff. You can filter the staff by department. You can also search for individual librarians by name. You can navigate to individual librarian guides from here, which provide more information about the librarian and allow you to directly schedule an appointment. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have questions or want to leave us a message, please connect with us at any time. We look forward to working with you.